Unit 4 Man and Machines, Chapter 13 Energy, Learning Objectives. 1. Meaning of energy. 2. Types of energy. 3. Sources of energy. 4. Conservation of energy. Let me answer. What are renewable energy sources that can be easily replenished? Types of energy: solar energy, hydroelectric energy, wind energy, biogas energy. Energy, the capacity to do any work, is called energy. Energy is consumed whenever any work is done. We need energy for doing different works. Without energy, we can't do any work. Machines can get energy from the fuel they consume or use some other forms of energy for doing work. Trucks and buses use diesel, steam engines, and thermal power stations use coals. Electric appliances use electricity to do work. We too need energy to do work. Our body gets energy from food. Do you know that all machines work using some form of energy? Forms of energy. Energy is found in various forms. Chemical energy. Chemical energy is a form of potential energy and it is possessed by things such as food, fuels, and batteries. Food stored inside the body is a form of chemical energy. Chemical energy is changed into muscular energy to do work. Muscular energy. Muscular energy is the thing that powers all your actions. Muscular energy is used to do work. Mechanical energy. Energy that produces push and pull and therefore makes things move is called mechanical energy. Wind energy. The energy of wind or moving air is used in windmills to pump out water or for grinding wheat. Do you know that small amount of electricity is produced if windmills are connected with a turbine? Electrical energy. Electricity is a different form of energy. All electrical appliances start working when the current passes through them, such as cooler, fan, iron, mixer, etc. Electrical energy can be changed into mechanical energy, heat energy, or light energy. Water energy. The electricity produced by using the energy of falling water is called water energy or hydroelectricity. Heat energy. The motion of atom and molecules creates a form of energy called heat or thermal energy. Heat energy can change the state of matter. Solar energy. The sun is the most vital source of energy. Energy from the sun is called solar energy. Food can be cooked in solar cookers by using heat from the sun. Light from the sun can be changed into electricity through special kind of cells. Sound energy. Sound energy is the energy produced by sound vibration. As they travel through a specific medium, sound energy is produced by vibrations. Atomic energy. The atoms of certain radioactive elements like uranium, thorium, etc. on reaction produce atomic energy which is used to produce electrical energy. Atomic bombs are prepared by making use of atomic energy. Sources of energy. Sources of energy can be divided into two: A. Renewable sources and B. Non-renewable sources. Renewable sources. Renewable sources are those sources which are available in a large amount in nature and are in fact inexhaustible. Examples of such sources are wind energy, solar energy, hydropower energy, biogas energy, etc. These sources of energy are also called alternative sources of energy. Solar energy. Energy from the sun is called solar energy. The sun is the most important source of heat energy. Solar energy is one of the most useful forms of energy. Hydroelectric energy. The electricity produced by using the energy of falling water is called hydroelectricity. Biogas, gobar gas. Biogas, gobar gas is a form of bioenergy made from organic waste matter after it is decomposed. Biogas is smokeless and does not cause pollution. Wind energy. A windmill uses moving air or wind to produce wind energy. Above sources of energy are present in plenty in nature. We must use more of these sources of energy to meet our energy demands. We do not have to pay for these sources of energy. The best part or quality is that these forms of energy don't cause any pollution. Non-renewable sources. Non-renewable sources are those sources which are present in definite quantities in nature. Once they are used, they can't be reproduced or take a very long period of time in reproducing. Petroleum, coal and other natural gases are non-renewable sources and are called fossil fuels. Petroleum is the most common source of energy. It is used to produce fuels like petroleum, kerosene, diesel, etc. It is also a source of many other useful products. Coal is also used extensively as a source of energy and heat. It is used to create steam, to produce electricity or to drive machinery. Natural gas is used as fuel for cooking and heating. We should try to prevent these non-renewable resources from being wasted uselessly. Conservation of energy. The economical use of sources of energy is called energy conservation. The amount of energy remains constant and energy is neither created nor destroyed. Energy can be converted from one form to another. Potential energy can be converted to kinetic energy, but the total energy within the domain remains fixed. Facts to know: all of our energy sources originated from the sun's energy. Almost all energy transformation involves the production of heat, which is considered the lowest form of energy. Let's recall: 1. The capacity to do any work is called energy. 2. Energy is found in various forms. 3. The sun is the most important source of energy. Energy from sun is called the solar energy. 4. Sources of energy can be divided into A. Renewable sources and B. Non-renewable sources. 5. Wind energy, solar energy, hydroelectric energy, etc. are renewable energy. 6. Petroleum, coal and natural gases are forms of non-renewable energy. 7. The economical uses of sources of energy is called energy conservation. Word power. Organic waste. Waste typically originated from plants or animal sources. Extensively. Large in extent, large amount. Fuel, the source of energy to run a system. Thermal power. The power obtained from heat. Inexhaustible. Unable to use UP because existing in abundance. His inexhaustible energy. Train your brain. Cross-curriculum connect. 1. Answer the following questions in short. A. Define the following in one line. 1. Manure. 2. Solar energy. 3. Wind energy. 4. Non-renewable sources of energy. 2. Fill in the blanks. A. Solar energy is the dash source of energy. B. The energy produced with the help of atoms is called dash energy. C. Petroleum is the dash source of energy. D. Coal is source of dash energy. E. In a hydroelectric power plant, electricity is produced with the help of dash energy. 3. Answer the following questions. A. What is energy? Why do we need energy? B. What are chemical and mechanical energies? C. What is hydroelectricity? D. What do you mean by renewable sources of energy? E. What do you mean by conservation of energy? 4. Take the right and cross the wrong statements. A. Truck and buses use diesel for energy. B. Food stored inside the body is a form of mechanical energy. C. Heat energy can change the state of matter. D. Renewable source of energy is also called the alternative source of energy. E. Petroleum is used to create steam to produce electricity. 5. Multiple choice questions. A. Petroleum is the most common source of dash. 1. Energy. 2. Inactivity. 3. Power. 4. Efficiency. B. Biogas is smokes and does not causes dash. 1. Pollution. 2. Impurity. 3. Fouling. 4. Dirting. C. Food stored inside the body is a form of dash. 1. Chemical energy. 2. Mechanical energy. 3. Energy. 4. Muscular energy. D. The main source of energy for our body is dash. 1. Food. 2. Food and water. 3. Both of these. 4. None of these. E. The energy we get from sun is dash. 1. Plumule. 2. Seed coat. 3. Cotyledon. 4. Radical. 6. Give one word for each one of the following. A. To protect and preserve energy is called. B. The energy produced by falling of water is called. 7. Match the columns. Column A. A. Sun. B. Gobar. C. Petroleum. D. Wind energy. E. Uranium. Column B. 1. Atomic energy. 2. Non-renewable source. 3. Biomass energy. 4. Solar energy. 5. Free of cost. Activity time. Count various non-conventional sources of energy and draw them on a chart. Now explain them to your neighbors about their necessity and importance in our daily life. Hots 1. Make a list of some situations like swimming, running, sleeping, etc. and note down whether work is done or not during these situations. 2. How is sun energy more eco-friendly than heat energy? Project time. Find out some safety measures to be followed during an earthquake. Make a chart on this based on the information from newspaper, books, magazines, televisions and internet.